In this video, I will show you how to factory reset your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV without the remote or menu. If your TV is frozen, crashed, not responding, or the remote is not working, I will show you the reset button location and how to use it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fix It Tech, the channel where I help you fix Windows, PC, and tech issues with simple step-by-step guides. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and let's jump right in. Now go to the back side of your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV. Look near the antenna jack area. On many Hisense VIDAA Smart TVs, the reset button is usually above the antenna jack. This button can be very small, so look carefully and take your time. Do not press any random ports or connectors. You only need the small reset button. To press this button, you can use a pen tip, a paper clip, or any similar small object. The button may be inside a small hole, or it may be difficult to press with your finger. Put the pen tip or paper clip straight on the button, then press it gently. Do not push too hard. Just press it carefully so the button goes in properly. Once you have found the reset button, press and hold it. Keep holding the button for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, release the button and wait for the TV to respond. This method lets you start the factory reset without using the remote and without going into the TV menu. After you release the reset button, look at the TV screen. The Hisense logo should appear first. After that, you should see the VIDAA animation. When you see these on the screen, it means the factory reset has started successfully. While the TV is resetting, do not unplug it. If nothing happens, first check that the TV is plugged into power. If the screen does not change, make sure you held the reset button for the full 5 seconds. If the button did not press properly, use the paper clip or pen tip again and press it carefully. If the reset still does not start, check the button location again near the antenna jack. If your TV is frozen, do not try to use the TV menu. Just repeat the reset button method from the back of the TV. If your remote is not working, do not worry about the remote. Continue with the physical reset button method. If the Hisense logo does not appear, repeat the steps carefully. Make sure the TV is connected to power. Make sure you are pressing the correct reset button. Hold it for 5 seconds, and then wait for the Hisense logo or VIDAA animation. Once the factory reset is complete, your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV will return to default settings. After that, you will need to set up the TV again. This reset can help fix problems like crashing, freezing, and the TV not responding. And there you have it. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you factory reset your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV without the remote or menu. If this method worked for you, or if you have any question about the reset button location, drop it in the comments. I would love to hear how it went.